Apple is researching an AirPods case with a built-in interactive touchscreen. Ooh, lovely.
This is fun, eh?
Well, I like the render a lot, and I kind of get it. And I think there's a product, I believe maybe JBL makes it right now, which is basically this. Maybe not as beautiful as that, but it has a screen on the case, screen allowing you to interact with a couple of features. I don't know if you're actually fully skipping tracks. Maybe you are, or are you just controlling A and C? Yeah, it's not as beautiful, obviously.
It doesn't have to have color.
I mean, this is mostly about functionality and not wasting battery life. But you can see you can quickly modify the settings on your earbuds, see the battery life, see the time.
It would be great if they were standalone.
If what was?
Like the AirPods with the screen.
Oh, yeah.
You don't need to
have
your phone or your watch or anything to sync it
kind of like Apple Watch, where you could just take the AirPods for a workout and not worry about your...
Yeah.
I don't know what would happen for connectivity there, though, because these are currently just Bluetooth. There's no...
Yeah, you need like a hard drive in there.
Yeah,
storage.
you have to have some local storage, and Apple hasn't really been about that in a while with Apple Music and such. Anyway, this is a mock-up or a render. You can see in this case we have multimedia controls, volume, and just overall the thing looks pretty cool. You also have to wonder about durability. You know, people are really rough with their AirPods. Drop them, they fly everywhere, they put them back in. Once you have a screen on there, it's going to be probably a little more fragile.
Definitely need a screen protector.
So this is a patent filed by Apple in September 2021, published last week in the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. And audio output device cases, commonly passive devices used to charge audio output devices, reads the patent. The utility of a headphone case can be enhanced, and user control over a user's wireless headphones can be improved by configuring a headphone case with an interactive user interface to enable user control of operations associated with the wireless headphones. This is also if we ever get to that future in which you're doing so much more with voice and possibly AR, and then you need more controls on the buds themselves because you are carrying a screen in your hand less frequently. Like, I'm talking way in the future. And this is just a patent. It's not, I mean, you start to see these renders and obviously appreciate what could be, but this is Apple getting, as usual, way out ahead of an actual product development. And what's interesting here is they're mostly just showing off multimedia controls like next, track, pause, and volume. But really, you could do a lot more with that. I mean, if you have a display, you could pretty much, well, do whatever you want. There's all types of fancy chips in these devices now, and way more horsepower than ever. So could you like surface results for Siri or Assistant, or I'm just trying to imagine a future in which you could actually just travel where your earbuds were your computing device. Maybe this is crazy and unlikely. I mean, everybody wants to have screens because they're scrolling, swiping, and tapping. So I don't know how close we are to something like that. But maybe it is that hybrid approach where the headset is always with you, the headset and the earbuds instead of the phone and the earbuds. I don't know. We're a long ways out.
Yeah.